So today's topic is why has no Pakistani athlete reached men's physique Olympia stage yet?
Ready? So we are here. We got our registration done. We are in Golden Tulip. The judgment height is 183. Weight is 80 kgs, 3 grams. And we are done. Now we're going to go for the tanning booth to get the tanning done. And
Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to another brand new episode vlog. I hope you all are doing good today. So before we dive into the video, before we start why, let me tell you the criteria to go in Olympia, men's physique Olympia. Like there are 3 things you have to do it before you step up on stage in Olympia. Number 1, you need top 3 at Amateur Olympia or Arnold Classic to get your pro card. That's the number 1. Number 2, you need to win that pro card show. The card you're gonna get it from Amateur Olympia or Arnold Classic. You have to win that show. Third, you need 12-month budget because bodybuilding itself is a very expensive sport. Your coach, your diet, your travel expense, your hotel expense, because Olympia always held in Las Vegas, America. So, being a Pakistani athlete, if you want to go there, you have to face all that problems. So let's just dive into the video. But right now I'm in the car, I'm going to the gym. Let's go. And big news coming up, guys. Hold up. Right now, the masculine men's physique is going. We are 182, so after that our class will come. Go to the washroom. I'll tie up my hair nicely. Then I'm gonna come back and we're gonna start pumping. So I took my pre-workout. Let's see. So let's just start with the point number 1, the most important thing. Funding and visa problem. So if you talk about funding, so one competition is costing us around $15,000 to $20,000, or अगर पाकिस्तान के पैसों में convert किया जाए तो almost 50 lakhs. Then flights, hotel, coach, prep food, a lot of things. Secondly, unfortunately, Pakistan के culture में there is no sponsorship culture. Nobody's willing to give even a $500 to an athlete. Yeah, that's the biggest problem we are facing right now. Still, in 2026, we have the same problem. With no sponsors, no sponsorships, like even not from supplement brands. No, nobody. But here in out of Pakistan, yes, we have so many sponsorship options and we have so many things what we can do, like which we can actually do. Third biggest problem, getting a US visa, because in past our records are so bad that US embassy and US immigration is not willing to give visa to Pakistani people, especially because the video I'm gonna post now is the live example which I have faced by myself when I was registering myself for IFBB Pro League. So they just took me out of the line and they told me that Pakistan is not allowed.
You're going to compete under Pakistan flag?
No, it's Bahrain.
Yes, ma'am. You're going to compete under Bahrain flag or Pakistan flag? It's not the same.
Not. Do you have a Pakistan confirmation?
So we got the registration done. मज़े का सीन ये है कि उन्होंने पाकिस्तान
तो अलाउ ही नहीं किया IFBB Pro के अंदर. So I'll be playing under the Bahrain's Federation name. So Pakistan Zindabad.
I have faced that problem. Okay. Even you have money, you can buy all that stuff. The next big problem is winning a pro card. Pro card is the biggest battle, I guess, and India is doing good actually. Like their athletes are doing very well. At least they are going every year. From last 3 years, they are stepping up on stage in Olympia. They are winning pro card shows, and they are proving themselves. So, congratulations to all Indian followers and athletes, whoever is watching this video. You guys are doing great. Inshallah, अगर टाइम मिला तो पाकिस्तान भी कभी ना कभी ऊपर आएगा. Secondly, the judging criteria is so tight in pro shows that they don't listen to anyone. They need wide shoulder, narrow waist, they need clarity, men's physique. I'm gonna make one video on that, what is the difference between men's physique, bodybuilding and open, because most of the people, they don't know what is the difference between all of it. I guess this is the biggest problem right now we have in Pakistan, that of coaching gap. We don't have much qualified coaches, knowledgeable coaches. जिसको देखो वो कोच बना हुआ है, नो एक्सपीरियंसेस, सर्टिफिकेशन कर ली कोच बन गए, उस्ताद जी से 2 डे का टेस्ट लगा के कोच बन गए. ऐसा नहीं होता. कोचिंग takes a lot of time, experience, and you have to do it by yourself. To the coaches, this message is to the coaches who never prepared themselves and they are giving lectures to other people that don't prepare yourself. Competition is all shit. Okay. If you cannot do that, doesn't mean that nobody can do it. Anyways, coaching gap is the biggest problem we have right now in Pakistan. Then posing, muscle and mind ka connection, that's the major other thing. Like in Pakistan we are still far away from this thing, the concept of posing. जाओ देख लो shows में जो posing हो रही होती है. Even though India now they are improving, but जहाँ बात आती है posing की, वहाँ इंडिया पाकिस्तान दोनों ही फारग हैं. ठीक है. Supplementation, nutrition, like supplementation, your diet, nutrition, then your peptide schedule, everything एक ही कोच से बन रहा होता है, जो कि गलत है. न्यूट्रिशन के लिए you need to consult a proper nutritionist. हाँ, exercise, workout, okay, coach is good, but peptides के लिए भी you need to consult a doctor. You need to do your medical checkup and then step up into that dark side of bodybuilding. Got it? The last thing, which is I guess very, very important, that is mindset and system. Mindset होता है athlete का और system होता है country का. So mindset, if you have a mindset to do something big, then don't wait for anyone's approval. ठीक है? So mindset क्या है जी पाकिस्तान के अंदर? पाकिस्तान के अंदर the mindset we have in Pakistan is go, do one show, Mr. Pakistan, get yourself satisfied, and then tell everybody that I am the biggest bodybuilder. No. Once you step up internationally, you will come to know that what type of sportsman spirit, what type of dedication you need to compete with that type of people. And then in the end of the day, Indian and Pakistanis are fighting on genetic things. Okay, no. Genetics are just for 10% in your body. That's it. I'm gonna make one more video for genetics and all that stuff. But system, federations in Pakistan, sorry to say, unfortunately, बकवास हैं. बकवास से भी बकवास हैं. आप हमारी फेडरेशन के बॉडी बिल्डिंग के प्रेसिडेंट को निकाल के देखो, इतना बड़ा उसका टिड्ड होगा और वो सिर्फ ये जानता है कि पैसे खाने कैसे हैं, लड़कों से पैसे खाने कैसे हैं. इस पर मैं एक प्रॉपर पूरी वीडियो, आई हैव सो मेनी टॉपिक्स टू कवर. नाउ दैट आई एम लिटिल बिट फ्री, सो आई थॉट आई नीड टू कवर दिस. व्हाई पाकिस्तानीज 1947 to 2026, आज तक कोई पाकिस्तान का बंदा एथलीट इतना काबिल ही नहीं है कि वो ओलंपिया की स्टेज तक जाए, और वो वजूहात ये हैं. एंड आई होप वन डे inshallah I will go. I will try my best. I will push myself 100%. If you guys are going to support me in my journey, inshallah one day I'll step up on the stage. I'm going to show the whole world that Pakistanis can do a lot. And for now, yeah, that's it. I have a big surprise coming up for you guys. Stay tuned. If you are new to my channel, like, share and subscribe. I'm going to see you guys in the next vlog. Tab tak ke liye khayal rakhein. Allah Hafiz.